Welcome to first course. In this course, we will learn the sounds of Turkish alphabet. Immediately let's start. A, B, C, Ç, D, E, F, G. Now, after G, you see the same letter with a sign. We call it soft G in Turkish. Yumuşak G. Soft means yumuşak in Turkish. Yumuşak G. It makes the sound, the letter of the sound which comes before soft G, softer. For example, yağmur means rain. But I will give you a trick. Let's ignore soft G in this word and let's make A double. How did we pronounce A in Turkish? A. Let's double and read it again. Yağmur. Nobody can understand you use soft G or you made A double. We will continue. H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z. Okay, now I'm giving you a small task. Please repeat these sounds in anywhere. And in next course, I will teach you how to read Turkish words. See you.